Hello everyone. Due to COVID-19 in this academic year 2020-21, some of the lessons has reduced. So we will see now in detail for the class 10 standard maths portion, what the portion has reduced. Because the number of period has made it as 120, that's why some of the portion has also reduced. Now we will see one by one what the portion it has reduced. First lesson is your arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, there is no change. Everything you have to study. All the topic what it is given, every point you have to study. Then the second is your triangles. In triangles, proof of SSS, SAS criteria and converse of the Pythagoras theorem is excluded. These 3 points are reduced. Other than that, everything you have to study. Then the third chapter, which is pair of linear equations. In this again 2 methods are reduced, which is not there in the portion will be now. Solution method and the substitution method and the cross multiplication method. These 2 methods are excluded. Now, circles chapter, it's the 4th chapter, circles. In this there is no change, everything you have to study. Lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 is areas related to circles. In this chapter, areas related to circles, entire chapter is deleted. Entire chapter is deleted means you are not having anything in that to study. Why? Because it does not affect the further studies and the basics are already learnt in 7th standard. This is the reason what it has given. Now, the lesson number 6, which is construction. In constructions, there is no change. Everything you have to study. Lesson number 7, coordinate geometry. This is also there is no change. Everything we have to study. Till now what we had seen in the 7 chapters, this is the only 5th chapter, areas related to circles. This has deleted and everything is same in that now. 8th is real numbers. Again this full chapter is also deleted, real numbers. 9th lesson is polynomials, and polynomials is also the entire chapter is deleted. Why the polynomial is deleted? Because already most of the concepts we have already learned in the 9th standard. That's why this chapter is deleted, polynomials chapter. Now the question, lesson number 10, quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, completing this square method is excluded, means this point has reduced. Lesson number 11, trigonometry. Trigonometry, there is no change, everything you have to study. In applications of trigonometry, lesson number 12, everything you have to study, there is no change. So till now what we have seen, the 3 chapters has deleted, which is area related to circles, lesson number 8, real numbers, and the lesson number 9, polynomials. Now we will go for the 13th chapter. In statistics, calculations by assumed mean and step deviation method is excluded. Retain direct mean method because it does not affect your studies. Lesson number 14. 14th lesson is your probability. In this again the entire chapter is deleted. Previously already we had seen 3 chapters has deleted. This is 4 chapter has deleted from your portion. 15th lesson is surface areas and volume. In this there is no change. Everything you have to study. So what we can say, it has reduced the number of periods to 120. 4 chapters has also reduced, and in some of the lessons, some of the points it has reduced there. Hope you have understood these all. It will help you in your future. Wish you all the best and thank you.